Picture a small coffee shop on Main Street that suddenly sees a 15% drop in morning customers. No sign, no teardown, just one nearby bakery quietly added an early bird pastry special and posted a few photos. By Friday, the shop's usual line is thinner, and the barista team is puzzled. That's the kind of local move that eats margin without any dramatic announcement. Today, we're calling that problem local radar, spotting those quiet competitor moves early and responding in ways that protect traffic and margins.
Welcome to AI Advantage for Small Business, the podcast where we help U.S. small business owners use artificial intelligence practically, responsibly, and profitably. On this show, we focus on real-world AI use cases, not hype, not fear, and not tech jargon. Our goal is simple, to show you how AI can save time, reduce friction, and support your team without replacing the human side of your business. Whether you're just getting started with AI or trying to make smarter decisions about tools and automation, you're in the right place. Let's get into today's episode.
Quick promise for the next 8 minutes. By the end of this episode, you'll have a weekend-ready local radar plan and 3 fast, low-risk actions you can test in 7 days. A watch list with a micro-offer, a short operational tweak, and a customer-facing story. We'll cover what to monitor, how to separate signal from noise, and how to run a pilot without scaring your staff or breaking any rules. Sound good?
Let's start with the obvious question. What should a small business actually monitor? The trick is to be targeted. Start with 5 lightweight public sources: local search listings, Google Business Profile, Apple Maps, menus and price listings on your competitor sites or aggregator apps.
You don't need a costly scraping pipeline. Use low-cost tools and a few AI prompts. For example, set a monitored Google business search and have a weekly auto summary that flags changes to hours, new photos, or new products. Use a small LLM prompt to turn a batch of new reviews into a short sentiment summary. Are people suddenly praising a new product or complaining about price? And use keyword filters on local social to spot posts like new breakfast or early bird. The AI piece is mostly about distillation, turning streams of public data into one-sentence signals for a human to review.
From an operations perspective, think in terms of a watch list. Keep it tight. 8 to 10 local competitors, the platforms they matter on, and specific signal types to watch: price, new items, hours, promo posts, and spikes in 1-star reviews. Give each item a business impact tag: high, medium, low. That keeps your team from chasing everything. A couple of low-cost tools I recommend: a shared spreadsheet for the watch list, a simple Google Alerts or a local monitoring tool, and an LLM that summarizes new items into 3 bullets each week. The human-in-the-loop step is key. The AI should highlight likely changes, and a staff member verifies before any action.
That verification step is the jump from noise to signal. Which brings us to topic 2. How do you separate real signals from background noise so you don't react to every blip? First rule, set thresholds that matter to your business. A single mention of a new pastry isn't a signal unless it's followed by a price change, a sustained run of positive social posts, or a measurable shift in foot traffic.
Rules of thumb we use with clients. Only escalate if 2 of 3 signal types occur within a 7-day window. For example, a menu change plus 3 positive social mentions, or a price change plus a local review spike. Always include a human check before spend. Someone from the floor or the manager should confirm the observation and context. That keeps staff involved and reduces false alarms.
Also watch for seasonal noise. A food truck that parks nearby once a month is different from a new permanent competitor. Use a simple traffic baseline. Compare last week's foot traffic or sales versus a 4-week average. If the drop exceeds your threshold, say 8 to 12% for morning traffic, then it's time to act. And always document why you're taking a step, because that makes it reversible if it's a false positive.
Okay, once you've validated a signal, what to do fast and safely. We recommend 3 margin-friendly responses you can test in days, not weeks. Number 1, a watch list triggered micro-offer. If you see a competitor drop price or add a new early product, launch a 1-week morning micro-offer targeted at your existing customers. A small discount or a loyalty perk that costs little but protects traffic.
Example for a coffee shop: Swap one less profitable pastry for a $1 coffee and biscuit combo from 6:30 to 8:30 a.m. Promote it via your daily text list or a pinned social post. For retail, a targeted BOGO on an overstocked SKU for neighborhood subscribers. For services, a short-term, lower-cost package for new bookings with a quick upsell later. These offers should be tight, measured, and peeled back if they hurt margin.
Second action, a short operational tweak. If a competitor is drawing customers earlier, shift a small staffing window or pre-stage popular items 5 minutes earlier. That's a low-risk move that can capture early demand without heavy cost. Train one person on the tweak and track the outcome for a week.
Third, a customer-facing narrative. If reviews suggest customers like a new flavor or price point, tell your customers what you're doing about it. A simple message. You asked for more morning options. Here's a fresh pastry, locally baked. Turns intelligence into a story that builds loyalty instead of panic. Keep it honest and specific. Customers value transparency.
All 3 actions are designed to be reversible and measurable. Run them as A/B tests if you can. Small spend, tight time window, and a defined metric. Either foot traffic, morning sales, or conversion on a promo link.
Now for a practical weekend pilot you can run with existing staff. Day 1. Set up your watch list. 8 to 10 competitors in a shared sheet. Note the platforms to watch and assign an owner for the monitor. Day 2. Configure simple data polls. Google Alerts, a manual weekly social check, and one quick AI prompt that summarizes new reviews and posts into 3 bullets. Day 3. Agree on thresholds and the human approval gate. Who signs off on a micro offer or operational tweak? My Sunday evening, you have a runbook and a 7-day monitoring cadence.
Prompts matter. Use short LLM prompts like summarize new local mentions for these 3 businesses in 2 bullets, product changes, price changes, and sentiment shifts. Keep the output constrained, 3 lines that a manager can scan in 30 seconds, and schedule a short Monday morning huddle, 5 minutes to review anything flagged. That keeps staff in the loop and reduces anxiety about secret monitoring.
We also need to talk about risks and safeguards. First, privacy and terms of service. Only monitor public, non-sensitive data. Prefer platform APIs and documented feeds. Don't collect private customer data or scrape content that violates terms. If you're unsure, stop and check the platform policy.
Second, false positives and wasted promotions. Mitigate with that human approval gate. Verify signals with someone who understands the store context before spending. Use small A/B tests instead of full-scale promos, and log every test so you can learn fast.
Third, staff morale. Frame Local Radar as a support tool, not surveillance. Share insights in short weekly discussions. Give staff the chance to interpret data and keep changes reversible. If a staff member flags a false alarm, treat it as intelligence and update your thresholds.
Quick recap. Build a simple watch list. Use low-cost AI to summarize public signals. Require a human sign-off. And run 3 small responses. A micro-offer, an operational tweak, and a customer story. Measure everything and keep changes reversible. That's Local Radar in a weekend.
If you want the templates we mentioned, the watch list spreadsheet, the LLM prompts, and the pilot runbook, visit aiadvantagepodcast.com/episodes/local radar to download them and get step-by-step instructions. Try the weekend pilot, and if something looks promising, we'll walk through converting one of those insights into a permanent profit stream in our next episode.
Thanks for listening to AI Advantage for Small Business. If there's one takeaway from today's episode, it's this. AI is here to support your business and your people, not replace them. The goal isn't to chase every new tool or automate everything overnight. It's to make thoughtful decisions that save time, reduce friction, and help your business run better without losing the human touch. If today's conversation helped clarify how AI fits into your business, consider sharing this episode with another small business owner who's navigating the same questions.
Until next time, focus on progress over perfection and use technology in a way that works for you, your team, and your customers. Use AI to support people, not replace them.